Hello, so today we will be graphing standard quadratic equations. So this might be the trickiest one, or at least it was for me, because you have to do the most amount of steps are required to get your answer for your graph. So the equation is y is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 9. And so we have our formula, which is y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So our formula for getting our h value, which is the x value, is h is equal to negative b over 2a. So we're going to plug the numbers for our equation in, and that's going to come out to 4 over 4. So our h value is going to end up being 1. So the k value, which is where the y point for our vertex is h plugged into the original formula. So we're going to end up having k is equal to 2 times 1 squared minus 4 times 1 squared, or times 1 plus 9. So our k value is going to equal 7. So our vertex is going to end up being our h value, comma, our k value. So our vertex will be 1, comma, 7. So our a value, or the slope, is going to equal our a in the equation. So since our a value is 2, we multiply all of our ups by 2. So we can go ahead and graph our equation. And since our vertex is the x value in our vertex is 1, we can go ahead and put a dashed line on 1 for the x value. And then since we know that our y value is 7, we can go ahead and mark our point as 7. And that's going to be our vertex. So now it's as simple as just marking all the points that we have in our parent function. And obviously our vertex is at the top of the graph, so we're only going to be able to mark our first point. If we had a larger graph or our vertex was lower, we could continue to mark points until we had all the points that were visible on our graph. So this right here is going to be our graph, and we are done. So this is how you graph quadratic equations in standard form.